Hey guys, what's up, it's Kylie. Welcome to my channel, or back to my channel. Today I have a unboxing slash haul from Glossier. I have another video where I went to the Glossier pop-up in San Francisco, and so I'll link that video down below if you guys want to check it out. I love that video. I think it's really fun. For shipping, it took about a week and a half or so. I ordered it on Sunday and it came a week and 2 days later on Tuesday. So yeah, but it came from New Jersey. It has a cute little glossy sticker, and then it says "Have a nice day" on it. Super duper cute. And then when you open it, it has their classic saying, "Skin first, makeup second, smile always." Super cute. Let me show you guys it. There it is. You can't really see it too well with my lights, but it says that right there. And then it says hashtag Glossier at Glossier right there. So this is what it looked like when I first opened it up. They gave me this set of stickers right here. They like encourage you to put these on your products. It says instructions, peel in place for decorative use only. I have one of them on one of my on their priming moisturizer, which is like their moisturizer that they have, and I own it. And then they gave me this one too. This one would be really cute to like put on a water bottle or something, or like your hydro flask. And this one says Glossier Summer 2018, and there's like a little palm tree. It's really, really cute, so I love that. And now onto what I actually got. So of course they come in the classic pink bags. I have one of these and mine broke, and this one I've been like closing it because I've been using some of these products and like testing them out, and it actually like broke again. But it's just like that. It's fine now, I think, but yeah, it kind of like broke. So here's the bag. This is how it actually first came packaged. I put it back all nice how it was packaged. So the first thing that I got is this. This is the Glossier Moisturizing Moon. You obviously know it's from Glossier, but this is the Glossier Moisturizing Moon Mask Soothing Face Treatment. I wanted a mask that's like moisturizing because my skin's been super dry lately and just dehydrated. So I got this. I've not tried it yet. You guys can see there's still the seal on it. I'm super excited. The top is adorable, like the little like planet kind of a design that it has. I love that. I guess it's like, yeah, it's like planets, like stars. And then the next thing that I got, I'm super excited about. I haven't tried this out yet, but this is the Glossier Stretch Concealer. This one is in light 10, or it's in like light 10, yeah. And this is the lightest one that they own, or that they have, I guess. So this does not look that light, or the G is so cute right there. And then here is the color. It doesn't look like dark or that light in my opinion. And the thing on the bottom is like not placed in the center, which kind of annoys me, but it's fine. From when I've seen people use this, it looks very luminous and glowy and dewy, which I love in concealer. I use a luminous concealer every single day, so I'm excited to try this for my under eyes at least. And it's like a pot concealer, and I usually use like ones with wands, so I'm excited to try this. The packaging is just so cute. Everything is so much detail. If you guys see this up close, there's like smiley faces in the packaging. It's so adorable. And then the next product I actually bought 3 of, if you guys can guess. These are their lid stars. I got 3 different shades. They're their lid stars glistening eye glows. I got 3 of them. They're really good. I'm glad I got 3 because they're amazing. I've been using them and trying them, and they're really good. So I got Moon, Slip, and Cub. So I'll start off from my least favorite to my favorite. So this one is Moon. It's not bad, but I haven't worn it yet. But the color is just, I feel like I'm not gonna use it as much as I used the other 2. I haven't used this one yet. It comes like this and this, but it looks like that. They're in these little tubes, which is super cute. If you guys don't know, Glossier, their makeup is super trendy looking and super duper cute and adorable. So yeah, this just comes in this little tube. It's kind of like this like highlighter shade, I guess you could say. And here's the wand. It's very long of a wand, so it can like reach down to the bottom and get like a lot of product out, but it says Glossier on it. Super duper cute. This one's kind of like a highlighting shade, really nice shade for like an inner corner highlight in my opinion. This one is Slip. I wore this one yesterday and it looks really pretty. I don't wear eyeshadow primer with these. I just kind of slap them on real quick in the morning, and so they crease a little bit, but they kind of don't last that long. Like by the time I get home from school, they'll be gone. But I mean, I put them on at like 6 a.m. I guess, and then I get home from school at like 3:30. So I mean, it's not bad for not wearing eyeshadow primer. But yeah, this is the pink colored one. It's really pretty. It's like pink. It's like that pink color. Really, really pretty. And then this one is Cub. I'm wearing this one today, and I've already wore this one twice. And by the way, the directions for this, they dab onto lid and blend with fingertip. I use a brush because I don't want to get this all over my fingers. Like I actually use my fingers to dab it out a little bit, but not too much. I just put like 2 little dots of it, and then I blend it out with a brush, and then I kind of blend it with my finger a little bit. This one's Cub. It's kind of described, I think on the website, as like a rose gold kind of color. I describe it as a rose gold kind of bronze. It's really, really pretty. You guys can like go to the website and see more like swatches of it and on different skin tones and stuff. I don't know if you can actually see it on my lids anymore. Probably not. I put it on like, I think it's like, what time is it right now? It's 9 o'clock. It's 9 o'clock. And I put this on at about 1. So I don't expect that it's still on. So yeah. And then the last thing I got is you guys to pick a sample. And I'm pretty mad about this, and I'm kind of gonna like expose Glossier. Okay, not really, but like they gave me, I picked their perfume and they gave this to me. Like, can you even get product out of there? Like, is there anything even in there? Like, seriously, come on. Because I thought I was gonna get, when I went to their pop-up, they gave away this size, like an actual travel size. You could get like probably a week or two's worth out of this. So they were gonna give this, and then they gave this that you could probably not even get a day's worth out of. So that kind of annoyed me, but Glossier, come on, you can do better than this. I think you could pick from their Milky Jelly Cleanser and their Priming Moisturizer, which I already had, and this, and I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go with this, but I came like that, so I was kind of mad. But that is what I got, and I just wanted to let you guys know I paid with this. I paid for all this stuff with my own money, so I'm not trying to brag. Make sure to leave me video recommendations down below because I do look at them. Make sure to follow me on DOTE. My name is always down below. And also don't forget to like and subscribe down below to help me at 3K. Come on, let's do it. We can get there. And also make sure to turn on my post notifications so you guys are notified every time I upload a video. And to make sure that I show up in your subscription box so that you guys can see my videos. And bye guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.